Hello all, welcome to my Informatica training channel. Today I'm going to talk about Power Center client tools. We'll cover in this session Power Center Designer. Let me explore Designer for you now. In simple terms, Designer tool is used to write code in Informatica. Inside Designer tool, you can create source structure, target structure, different transformation and mapping. Now we will see different component of Informatica Designer. Let's open the Designer now. Go to Start, click All Program, then go to Informatica Power Center, click Clients and then click Power Center Designer. Designer is open now. Click OK to Welcome box. Now I have to configure Designer tool to point to correct repository. We need to know domain name, gateway host, gateway port. These three information is required to connect to repository by Informatica client tools. For your environment, you can get this information from Informatica administrator. In my case, domain is domain_rasmi -96953683. Gateway host is rasmi -96953683 and gateway port is 6001. This is the menu bar in Informatica Power Center Designer. Select repositories, then click repository and then click configure domains. Click add a new domain icon. I will type domain name. I will type gateway host and again I will type gateway port. I have filled with required information, so I will click OK. Domain name appears in the left hand side and repository name appears in the right hand side. I have to click checkbox associated with repository. My repository name is infra_repo. Click OK now. My repository name is infra_repo. It is appeared in the left side just below the repositories. This is the one-time configuration setup. You need to do this setup from your client tool for the first time. Next time onwards, you can use this. No need to configure every time. One more point, if you do this configuration setup from any of the Informatica client tool, then you can use it from other client tools. No need to do this configuration for other client tool like Workflow Manager, Repository Manager, etc. Here we have done configuration from Designer, so this information will be automatically available to Workflow Manager, Repository Manager and Workflow Monitor. Now it is time to log in into the repository. I have my own credential. If you want to get your credential in particular environment, then you need to get it from Informatica administrator of that particular environment. I will right click on the infra_repo and then click connect. I typed username and password and now click connect. Now see, there are two folders available under infra_repo. One is practice and other is training. Now I will open the training folder. Right click on the training folder and then click open. Training folder is open now. See, the training folder is in bold shape. At a time you can open one folder. Folder which is open will be in bold shape. Along with that, name of the open folder will be in this text box. There are three windows in the Designer. Right side window is workspace, bottom window is output and left side window is navigator. Apart from three window, there is toolbar also. Let me first talk about right side window, that is workspace. This is source analyzer. Click on the source analyzer. This is highlighted now. In the source analyzer workspace, you create source structure like flat file, database table or XML file structure. This is target designer. click on the target designer, it is highlighted. You can create target structure in the target designer workspace. Target could be flat file, table or XML file. This is mapping designer icon. Click on this. So mapping designer icon is highlighted. Along with that, mapping designer workspace is also opened up. In this workspace, you can create mapping logic to derive data from source and load into target. There are transformation developer and maplet designer workspace also, but we will talk about them on different classes. Always we require source analyzer, target designer and mapping designer. This left side window is navigator window. Navigator window shows you the list of objects available for coding. Under the training folder, there are a couple of subfolders like sources, targets and mappings. You can expand the subfolder by clicking associated plus symbol. Mapping subfolder has list of mapping available in the training folder. Target subfolder shows you the list of available targets. Sources subfolder gives you the list of different types of sources available in the training folder. Different types of sources like flat files and Oracle table. If you expand the flat file, then you can see the flat file names. Similarly, if you expand the Oracle, then you can see the list of table. In simple term, navigator shows the list of objects, be it source, target or mapping, available in the training folder. In the workspace, you can create source, target or mapping. Output window shows you notifications, validation message, fetch log and etc. One more important thing to note down is, see the menu bar now. Now click Source Analyzer. Check the menu in toolbar. Sources menu is available. Now click the Target Designer. Targets menu is available. As per selection of particular workspace, menu is also changed. Now click the Mapping Designer icon. See, in the menu, mappings and transformation is available. From designer, you can open other client tool also if it's already not opened. For example, click Workflow Manager icon. See, Workflow Manager is open now. Let's come back to designer. You can toggle navigator. Toggle means switch on and off. Click the toggle icon. See, navigator is vanished. Click once again the toggle item. See, navigator window is available once again. Click this icon. Output window is vanished. Again click this icon. Output window is visible. Sometimes we switch off navigator and output window to see different component of a complex mapping clearly. That's all for now. Please don't hesitate to drop me a mail if you need any clarification on this demo class. Please stay tuned with this channel to learn more about Informatica Power Center. You can drop me a mail to informatica.training007@gmail.com if you want to take training on Informatica. Thanks for watching this demo session.